Welcome back to Linguamagic. In this video, we'll explore simple English feelings and practice with easy examples.
Calm.
Calm.
Feeling relaxed.
She sat by the river and felt calm.
Angry.
Angry.
Feeling mad.
He was angry about the noise.
Sleepy.
Sleepy.
Wanting to sleep.
I feel sleepy after lunch.
Sad.
Sad.
Feeling unhappy.
She was sad when her toy broke.
Happy.
Happy.
Feeling good and joyful.
He was happy to see his friends.
Worried.
Worried.
Thinking something bad might happen.
She was worried about the test.
Shy.
Shy.
Not comfortable with people.
The shy boy didn't talk in class.
Annoyed.
Annoyed.
Feeling bothered.
He was annoyed by the loud music.
Frustrated.
Frustrated.
Upset because things don't work.
She felt frustrated with her homework.
Tired.
Tired.
Having no energy.
He was tired after running.
Shocked.
Shocked.
Very surprised.
She was shocked by the news.
Proud.
Proud.
Feeling good about yourself or others.
He was proud of his success.
Hurt.
Hurt.
Feeling pain or sadness.
She hurt her leg while playing.
Afraid.
Afraid.
Feeling scared.
He was afraid of the dark.
Scared.
Scared.
Suddenly afraid.
She was scared by the thunder.
Excited.
Excited.
Very happy and full of energy.
They were excited about the trip.
Hungry.
Hungry.
Wanting food.
I'm hungry after school.
Embarrassed.
Embarrassed.
Feeling uncomfortable or shy.
He felt embarrassed when he fell.
Jealous.
Jealous.
Wanting what someone else has.
She was jealous of her friend's toy.
Silly.
Silly.
Acting funny or playful.
They were being silly in class.
Surprised.
Surprised.
Not expecting something.
He was surprised to see her there.
Loved.
Loved.
Feeling cared for.
She felt loved by her family.
Brave.
Brave.
Not afraid to face danger.
He was brave to help his friend.
Lonely.
Lonely.
Feeling alone.
She felt lonely in the empty house.